all these vlogs is negative? Oh, we good, we chilling. I thought I cracked it, but we good. I thought I broke it, guys. I came out of a driveway and I heard it crack. Like maybe it's cracked underneath. I thought it was worse, but we're good. Anyways, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I thought I broke the lid, but thankfully it's not broken yet. But we just made it to a little car meet this morning. Actually, we went to like an air show. I'll put a couple clips right here. I should have vlogged it, but I didn't. But that was freaking sick, guys. These jets are going like 1,500 miles per hour, they said. 1,500 miles per hour, that's insane. We over here think our cars are fast. Those are fast, bro. But that was sick. I should have vlogged it. I didn't. But now we're here at this little car meet. And look who's here. Nico, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Hi, Nico.
Hi.
Look at that Hellcat. Oh, it's not a Hellcat. I thought it was a Hellcat because of the wide body and the tire. It looks good though, either way. But I kind of want a Hellcat, Nico.
Nah.
Me and David.
No.
David wants to get one too, guys. They look sick wide body. This is not even a Hellcat that looks good, bro. They just look good wide body, bro. That's just sick. And a big ass tire. Yeah, that's a big old boat. It is heavy. Look at this, 911. Damn, that's sick. Nardo Gray on Nardo Gray wheel. The what? Oh no, that's me right there, huh? I'm gonna start doing that, guys. Putting band-aids on my car.
Right now he just
Yeah, I hit it right now, but
wait,
nothing happened. Nothing
Coming
happened.
in
here? Some other driveway.
Where? That's not bad. Wait. No, you're good. You didn't puncture a hole into
It was like just a scratch. Yeah. This is nice.
This is...
Bro, look at the gold G-Wagon, guys. Oh my god, that's a 4x4, not a regular G-Wagon. Freaking gold, chrome. Alright. Satin black too is like perfect. Supra, F80, G80. Is that a G80? It's not a G80. What the heck? I got confused right now. F80. Bro, I thought that was a G80.
Oh, I thought...
It's not.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Look at his lip.
Oh.
Bro, everyone got broken lips.
That's
bro.
bad.
That was pretty
really
bad. This looks like a missing tooth. Yeah, this is a G80. That's fire. Red interior too. Damn.
Bucket seats though.
I know.
But it's a 23 though.
This is nice. What the freaking Mercy, bro? That's hard. All black too. That shit's sick, dude.
There's a llama. Where did you park?
Like right in the end.
All these cars come, park it inside, so you can take a llama and park it in front of it.
That would be funny. No way it's a llama, bro. What the? Bro, that would be a funny ass picture. What's up, bro? Man, this shit is nice, bro. Oh my god, I need a Huracan, guys. This is nice too. R8. A lot of supercars.
Nick, when are you getting your R8?
I know I need one. Or a Lambo, bro.
Huracan.
This is nice too, though.
You need a Huracan.
I one up with the other. I don't know. Damn, look at this McLaren, guys. Full carbon fiber. Blue carbon. Really loud music, so again, I gotta talk loud before I get copyrighted, but wow, that shit is sick. Look at all the carbon. That's insane. Look at this dude. What's up, buddy? My boy needs a haircut.
That's Chaz right there.
He spits on me?
I'm just kidding. He might do it. Don't do it.
He's getting that spit right.
Supposedly he spits, guys. What's up, buddy? There's that Huracan that you guys always see in my vlogs with the twin turbo kit. The crazy ass flames. So sick. Now you can see it in the daytime. I always see this car at night. Now you can see the turbos. Look at that. My boy rocks no plates. I remember like the last day I had my GTR, he was trying to race me on the freeway. Good thing I didn't race him because I probably would have been trying to keep up with this thing and probably would have blew my transmission earlier than I did. By the way though, guys, I think I'm getting my GTR tomorrow. So tomorrow's vlog, or maybe this one, I don't know. I'm getting my GTR back, supposedly. Cross my fingers to get it back. This one's hella nice, bro. Look at the wide body kit on this. Sheesh, music's too loud. Yeah, that shit's actually mint. The Supra is revving it right now. That shit sounds sick. Got a NOS bottle in there. What the? TEs? Man, that shit is clean though. That is super sick. RX-7? Oh shoot, E92. I didn't even see that. This is sick. Wide body. What the? You guys know I always wanted a wide body mine United 2. I just never did it. This RX-7 is sick. TVs on the back. This is a little steering wheel. Yeah, it's Orlando. Weird, huh? I still want one of these guys. United 2 looks crazy though. Look how sick that Supra is. If I got a Supra, it'd definitely be red too. A red Supra is like a dream, dude. Look at that. It's like everyone's dream car. Look at all the people looking at it. I feel like if you had a Supra, you could literally shut down any car meet. And look, Nico brought the GTR out, guys. I haven't seen this car in a long time. Damn it, bro. It makes me miss my car so much, dude. But like I said, maybe 1 or 2 more days, guys. I'm gonna get my car back. The TEs. Oh, and we also both got TEs. He doesn't even see my wheels in person. Nico got the 20-inch, and I think these are the newer ones too. Oh, I got them brand new. Damn, I can't wait to get mine back. And then he got the wing on too, the carbon wing. Well, that was a cool little car meet, guys. I don't really know what else to film. I don't want to bore you guys, so we'll see what other stuff we get into. GT3 RS parked right next to me. If I was in the market for like a 570S, like I've been talking about, you guys know I always talk about like trading the GTR for something crazy like a supercar. You can actually get a Porsche GT3 RS for like around the same price as a 570S, and then kind of like an R8 too. R8s are kind of a little bit more expensive than these, but still, like all 3 of those cars are around the same price. So those 3 might be like the options if I were to trade my GTR in. GT3, 570, R8. They're all sick cars in their own ways. This one's hella clean though. Roll cage in there. This is sick. Got the clear taillights too. The only reason I never was oh my god. The reason why I wasn't like the biggest fan of Porsches at first is because like for the same price you can almost get like a R8 or a Lambo almost, you know? And obviously those cars get way more attention than these, but you guys know, if you have one of these, if you know, you know. It's just when you get a Lambo, everyone knows what it is. Whether you're a car guy or not, you know what a Lambo is. Everyone's breaking their necks on the street. Porsche GT3, only like real car guys know what it is, you know what I mean? That's the only reason why I would take a Lambo over it, but after driving one that day with Joseph in the canyons, he let me drive a GT3 RS and that shit was changed my life. Now I want one. Now I understand why people like them. They're like a freaking race car on the street, literally. That shit hard, bro. This shit is so crazy. Look how clean it is. The big ass wing. This is sketchy. Oh, don't hit the pole. You can set transmission in there. Look at that. God damn. Tell me it doesn't sound like Fast and the Furious. God, that shit sounds sick. Is it gonna pop? Everyone loves it, dude. I'm just waiting for it to pop. Which one you guys taking, the Vet or the Supra? Easy question, huh? I don't know, maybe people... I'm taking a Supra. They're probably like the same price, to be honest. I think it's gonna rev it again, guys. It's loud! The flames are literally this long, dude. Like longer than... Boy, that shit would literally burn you, bro. God, man. Literally, This car is so sick. I need a twin turbo Lambo, guys. That shoots bigger flames than this.
spirals. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.